Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, The Pinay Couponer, and welcome to another video. And this video is my Walgreens haul for the week of March 21 to March 27. And again guys, I have a paper booster, a $7 Walgreens cash if I spend $25. And at the same time, I have a $5 Walgreens cash if I spend $20. I'm going to grab some moneymaker deals guys, so let's see how it goes, and I hope that my transaction will go well. And later, as always, I will show you the receipt and let's find out how much is the cost per item. So let's go grab those deals. Guys, so I'm going to do the buy 3 participating items and get 5 Walgreens cash rewards. So I'm going to pick these Oral-B Glide Scoop Outlast Floss Picks because I have a $2 digital coupon for this, and this is on sale for $3.99. So after coupon, price will become $1.99. And the next item that I'm going to add for my buy 3 participating items is this Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to pick this Scalp Detox guys. This is on sale for $2 for $10. And I have a $5 of 2 digital coupons, so price after coupon is $5. And the next deal that I'm going to do guys is the Tide. This is buy 3 get $3 register rewards, and I'm going to pick 1 Tide Simply liquid detergent and 2 of the Tide pods. So total of the 3 is $8.85, and I have a $1 of 1 digital coupon for Tide Simply Pads, and I also have a $1 of 1 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid. And I printed a $1 of 1 Tide Simply from the P&G Good Everyday. Hi guys, so I'm back from Walgreens, and these are all the items that I got. And initially guys, I planned to get the Colgate. The deal is buy 2 get $4 Walgreens cash, but then my digital coupon didn't come off guys, so I just voided the transaction, and instead I picked the Whole Blends Garnier. This is on sale for $2 for $7, and I have a $4 of 2 digital coupon. Plus, there is also a store coupon, $1 each. So here is my receipt. So here's the Whole Blends, 2 for $7, and then the store IBC $1 came off, 2 each. Then here's my Tide Simply, $2.95, and the other Tide Simply Pods, $9.95, and the other one $2.95. Then the Oral-B Floss, $3.99. Then the Tresemme 2 for $10. And here's the paper booster. He scanned it, and as you can see guys, I only have $1 for the Tide Simply. My other digital coupon did not come off. So here's the Tide Simply. This is my paper coupon, $1. Then my Tresemme, $5 came off. Then this manufacturer coupon is for the Garnier Whole Blends. Then my $2 Oral-B came off. Then my Tide Simply digital coupon for the pods came off. So the $1 liquid did not come off. Then here's my subtotal, $14.84. But I got back, earned this visit, $17.27. 5 Walgreens cash for the buy 3 participating items, the Tresemme and the Oral-B Floss Picks. Then the $5 is for the spend 20 digital booster. Then the $7 is for the spend 25 paper booster, so total of $17. The 27 cents is just for like visiting there. Since my $1 digital coupon did not come off guys, I called the customer service and I was given a $1 Walgreens cash. So the total amount of products is $29.84.
less the $2 IBC coupon for the whole blends. Total after that is $27.84. Then the total coupon used is $13. So total out of pocket is $14.84. But I got back a total of $21. 5 Walgreens cash for buying 3 participating items. 5 Walgreens cash for the spend $20 digital booster. And 7 Walgreens cash for the spend $25 paper booster. And I got $1 from the customer service. And a $3 register rewards for buying the Tide Simply. Here. So final cost is free plus a $6.16 moneymaker.
So by the way guys, I did not use any Walgreens cash for this transaction because I have a paper booster. If you don't have paper booster and you don't have any digital booster, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. So overall guys, my transaction went okay, and there was just a small issue with my digital coupon that didn't come off, but I'm happy that we can call the customer service and they can issue you a Walgreens cash rewards. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and also please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.